Kuringana na Ruhonge rwa ruthurimaga murimu wa mukingo ni National AIDS Control Council, kuma mwaka-ini wa 2016 andu 6,000 ni mehendagia kimwiri na 800 makaingirira ciiko cia waganu kaunti-ini ici, kuria athuri monanaga kimwiri na athuri aria angi. Kuria andu 150 ni kuma Embu, 200 kuma tharaka nithi na 510 kuma Meru. Nayo namba ya atumia aria mehendagia kimwiri ari 3,391 kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru, 1,032 kuma Embu na 1,500 kuma tharaka nithi. Maabitha a Ruhonge rwa kungethanira na murimu wa mukingo maugite namba ya andu aria mari na murimu uyu niciongererekete na namba nene kaunti-ini ici kumana na ciiko ici cia waganu.
The counties where we are saying we are going in reverse mode, meaning our new infections are rising, especially between the age of 10 to 19, 15, 24, with around 600 new infections for the young people.
The current generation of the youth, they are very active and they are very adventurous. So I would owe this to that, and also they like discovery.
Maugite ni marageria gwetha njira iria inginyihanyihia gutherema kwa murimu uyu, kuona andu 11,140 mwena wa Embu mena murimu uyu, 993 kuma tharaka nithi na 26 kuma Meru, kuria namba nene ni mbeu njithi.
This age group are mostly in schools, so to ensure in preventive measures we have brochures, books. In the curriculum we are working with education, revising the curriculum to ensure that the information needed for this age group is delivered.
Roho ni morite aikari a icigo ici mamanyite mbaru na muno makiria makanitha na macukuru na mareranira kuheana mibira iri ta njira imwe ya kunyihanyihia gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
Currently as NAC we are focusing on the 100% condom use programming. Condom use programming is where everywhere a condom is needed, it's delivered. Be it a bar, be it a tertiary institution that of higher learning where we focus for the youth and the youth.
We have the church, we have the school, we have leaders, we have everybody, we have parents. We must talk about the negative or the perils of HIV.
Ningine morite aikari a matura maya macerere mathibitari na niguo guthimwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Jane wa Boy wa Mwangi.